My name is Ruohan. I actually graduated from Wellington International School, Tianjin, in 2016. After graduation, I actually studied at Parsons, New York. But during my studies in Parsons, I traveled to Parsons, Paris, and then I had a year in Central St. London. And after graduation, I actually was involved in this prize of Land Crawford Creative Call-Out. That's how I started my own namesake brand. Till now, it's been 3 years I'm working on my own brand. There are a lot of behaviors was trend during the years in Wellington, but Wellington is for my year. Studying IB, actually you need to adapt yourself into so many different perspectives, different courses at the same time. So I think it's really well trained for, this adaptability at Wellington. Give me some courage to face the challenge, especially a short time challenge for a project. I feel even though I'm now into fashion, clothing, but the background of music, background of art history, even the background of history back in the college or literature really helped to form me as a more three-dimensional me. That makes me how to stand out or to differentiate me in the market right now. Because I had a lot of comments of saying why the brand now can stand out of the Chinese designers. Maybe it's just because I have the education of a little bit of everything. I think that's a pro from the Wellington's education. I didn't take arts for IB even. I was taking music for the arts perspective. I felt maybe I should apply to art schools. Let's just try. With my first kind of art course, to have it in Paris is something really brings me as now. And then second year I went back to New York. It was a time that I kind of discovered a lot of commercial stuff because I was applying a lot of internship. I feel that was the time that I fulfilled myself. I think the most important thing to do in your college is to find who you are. This maybe you cannot find at a very young age. The first advice I think is to explore more, don't waste your time, to be prepared to plan instead of wasting time on something really tiny, to be more macro than micro. And then I think is to find a routine that suits your work life. It's really important. And this I think can only practice within the school life. And with a routine, you can add your hobbies into your routine. It's really important. And then try to find something outside your major is really important. So I was studying a little bit of philosophy. That brings not only added value, but a different perspective towards my major studies, the fashion studies. So try to find something maybe related or not related to fulfill the entire studies. I think to plan before is really important because when I stepped into art school, because I wasn't into the art circle, so I don't know what to look at. Even though the syllabus, the curriculum was made there for you, you still need to plan your 4 years because it's really the 4 years that you can be yourself or you do the stuff that you really want to do or explore yourself. It's really the 4 years that you can find who you are.